In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of password authentication being removed on GitHub. If you've been receiving messages that your GitHub password is no longer working for command line operations and pushing to repositories, there's a good chance GitHub has updated its security measures to mandate a personal access token instead of a password. Don't worry though, because I'm here to guide you through setting up one of these tokens so you can continue working on your projects without a hitch. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the GitHub Tokens page. This is your first step toward regaining access when working with GitHub from the command line. Once you're on the page, you're going to click on the option that says Generate New Token. You'll then be prompted to choose between different types of tokens. For most users, the fine-grained token is recommended. This type of token allows you to set specific permissions and is generally a more secure choice. Now, as you're setting up your token, you'll be required to select the repository permissions you need. This is important because it determines what actions your token will allow you to perform. Make sure you select permissions that match your day-to-day needs on GitHub. For example, if you only need access to issues and the repository itself, you might just want those items checked. Additionally, you'll also need to set an expiration date for this token. It's usually a good idea to pick a time frame that aligns with your project's needs, but requires you to renew it occasionally for security reasons. Once you've set everything up, go ahead and click Generate Token. One very important thing to remember is to copy the token immediately after you've created it. GitHub will not show this token again for security reasons, so be sure to save it somewhere safe and accessible, like a password manager. With your token at the ready, it's now time to replace your old password with this new token. So when you're next prompted for credentials in Git, it'll ask for two things, your username and your password. Enter your GitHub username as you normally would. However, when it comes to entering your password, you'll be pasting your personal access token instead. This token now acts as your password for these operations. It's a straightforward swap out, but it'll make a world of difference as GitHub has moved towards emphasizing security with these measures. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the transition from traditional password authentication to using a personal access token. This additional step in security is for your benefit and ensures a safer coding environment moving forward. If you found these steps helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy coding.